Did you know there's a way to start a t-shirt business without buying any t-shirts? Sounds impossible? Let me show you how. POD, which stands for print on demand, is a business model where you don't have to buy any t-shirts to sell any t-shirts. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have 2 t-shirt designs that you want to sell. In a normal traditional business model, you would go to your supplier, buy 25 units of each of those designs and then try to sell all of those 50 t-shirts to recoup your investment and make a profit. But in case you can't sell all of those 50 t-shirts and only manage to sell 25 or 30 of those, then you might not make a profit, only break even, and most likely you'll go in a loss. Now here's the beauty of print on demand. In print on demand, you don't need to buy any stock from your supplier beforehand. You sell the t-shirts first on your website. Once you get an order, let's say 13 orders for t-shirt A and 27 orders for t-shirt B, you have a total of 40 orders. Then you go to your supplier, give him those 40 orders, and he ships those t-shirts directly to your customers. So you only sell the t-shirts, you don't buy any inventory.
Don't forget to follow me for more digital marketing tips and check out my website for even more info.